a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me.
We celebrate the culmination of a month-long celebration of our Rainbow family. And I would like to thank you all for making this event and all the other activities such a success. I know how much importance they're giving to this community and to this family, and that's why we are the first to enact the Anti-Discrimination Ordinance. Palakpakan ho natin ang ating sangguniang panglungsod.
Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.
Dito sa Santiago City, tanggap ka, tanggap tayo, at kaisa niyo po ang lokal na pamahalaan ng lungsod ng Santiago sa lahat ng pangarap ng LGBTQIA+ community. Para sa isang tunay na progresibong lungsod.
Tanggap tayo.
Tanggap tayo.
Tanggap tayo.
Tanggap tayo.
Tanggap tayo.
Another round of bullets hits my skin. Well, fire away, 'cause today I won't let the pain sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. We are warriors. That's what we deserve. I won't let them break me down. I know that there's a place for us. Oh, we are glorious. I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
This family has served as a pillar, as a foundation, not just in our workforce, but I've seen you excel in all your other careers, especially the academe, our city hall, and I cannot overemphasize the amount of contribution, the talent and skills that you have shown us and you have shown the society and our city in the past years. So again, Happy Pride Month po sa ating lahat at mabuhay po ang ating LGBTQIA+ family. Maraming salamat po.